Alright, so I'm going to go over the Lifecycle tab that can be found in the Portfolio module in Planhat. And this is the place where you can manage all of the phases and stages that your customers go through their customer journey in Planhat. These are completely customizable, but the examples that we give are trial, onboarding, adoption, success, and renewal. But you can create the phases as you see fit for your customer journey. Rearranging them is super easy. You simply drag and drop them to arrange the columns around. Adding a phase is very easy as well. You add it from the sub-menu here. You can name it, add a description. And then if you want to edit the phase, that's easy to do as well. You simply go to the top where the title is, click the little pencil icon, and you can edit the phase. Moving around customers is easy as well. You can drag and drop them to move them around. But I want to stress that this view is so much more than dragging and dropping your customers through the lifecycle phase or the customer journey. This can be used to trigger playbooks and plays and so much more. So please take a look at some of our documentation and other Help Center videos on how to use the lifecycle phases to do some of those things. Let us know if you have any questions, if you need some help, if you want some best practices on how to use these lifecycle phases. We are more than happy to help.